What's up, guys? Here we are, yet again. Yet another box of Kaladesh. Let's get to it. We gotta be in for some good stuff, guys. We have to be. The last two boxes, if the friggin' best card is Spire Bluff Canal one more time, I'm going to lose my freaking mind. Wizards owes us something better. Now, I have no doubt that we will complete all of our uncommons this time around. However, it's good for you, not good for me. So, let's get cracking, shall we? Not even going to go through them. We're just going to say commons, uncommons, rares, lands, tokens. Actually, I'm going to move that there. This is going to be the spot for freaking masterpieces, calling it. Well, so far, not what we're looking for, but the red is strong in this box. Does that mean a Chandra? Maybe. Maybe. So, Angel of Invention. It's our mythic. And a foil cobra. So we'll put him there. Angel of Invention. Not a terrible mythic. But anyway, another bristling hydra. Glad to see that. I could use, I think I need 2 more of those. Okay, so there's our mythic. Got another planeswalker. Typically we get about 4 to 5 mythics in a box. Anything more than that should classify as a good box. Either Flux Reservoir. So what we need 1 card to complete the set. And that card is, I don't know, it's some artifact. What's it called? I don't know. I'll think of it before too long, or when I see it, I'll let you guys know. We'll have a completed the set party. That is not it. Sure, I'm getting tired of opening Kaladesh, that's for sure. Can't wait for Ixalan to come out. It's going to be so sweet. There's that zany old Lord of Luxury. Yeah, I think Ixalan's going to be a lot of fun. Either Squall Ancient, Foil Common, Failed Inspection. Combustible Gear Hulk. That's the 3rd mythic out of this little set here. And a foil Oiler Virtuoso. It's a pretty good card. So far, guys, none of the, I mean, honestly, there's only really one Chase Mythic in the set, and that's that Chandra. The rest of them are what they are. So, foil, is that our foil rare? Yep, foil rare, Aether Flux Reservoir. Okay. So there were no heavy hitters in that stack, but 3 mythics and a foil rare. Hopefully that wasn't the epic stack. Hopefully we get some other pretty cool things. Nope, not that. Also, another thing, you know, the land that I've been cracking out of these boxes, I've been kind of using to fill my land reserves. So when I make decks and things like that, I've got all my land now. So all the land will be going to you guys. I'm sure you're going to have a giant party over that. But it's worth noting. Like I said, I don't want piles of anything around here. I just want play sets. Then the rest I want gone. I think the artifact card that I'm looking for is like something Marvel or something. I don't know. Okay. There's that guy again. And foil Fairground Warden. I think I'm getting close to having some rares. Ooh, Long Tusk Cub, that's a good one. That'll be given away. Yeah, but I'm getting close to some of the full play sets of rares. So if anybody's, you know, maybe holding off on the Patreon, then understood. But those rares will be coming. It's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. Fortuitous Find foil. I haven't really been calling out what the rares are. Maybe I should. Hopefully I'm not going too fast for you guys. But I figured after this many boxes, Metallurgic Summoning is our mythic, and a foil Oval Chase Dragster uncommon. Aether Hub, it's a good one. Gear Ori is a rare. I don't know guys, my feeling about this box has diminished. I'm now in a pit of loathing and self-hate. Why do I keep opening these? Ah, that's right, so I can give it all away. Panharmonicon. It's not the artifact that we're looking for. The one that we're looking for almost looks like that. I think it's called like Aetherworks Marvel. Something like that. I can't believe it's just a rare out of an entire case. We haven't found one yet. It's pretty ridiculous. It's not even like a high dollar one. It's just a Just a rare paradoxical outcome. Last stack. Deadlock Trap. More like Deadlock Crab. Am I right? Confiscation Coup. Like Confiscation Poo. Am I right, guys? Fleet Wheel Cruiser. Like Fleet Wheel Crapper. Am I right, guys? Alright, plenty of forest, foil forest. That's fine, I guess. Cultivator of Blades. I don't have one for it. If anybody's got a good alternate name for Cultivator of Blades, throw it in the comments. Might be funny. Aether Storm Rock and a foil Cultivator of Blades. 2 foil rares. 2 shitty foil rares. I don't mean to be getting all like down in the dumps over these boxes. I'm just, you know, I've opened so many of them. You just want something exciting and new, not just the same old crap. It's not like I paid anything for him. Traded a bunch of cards or Final Fantasy cards for him. Weren't worth nothing to begin with. Concealed Courtyard. It's a decent one. Dynavolt Tower. 4 packs left. Dubious Challenge. Saheeli's Artistry. Midnight Oil. And a foil Wiley Bander. Last but not least, Pianor. Wah wah. Put these cards up. I'll be back. See what we're going to be giving away. And we're back. So, not the best box. Word of the day. Angel of Invention. Those are most expensive. She's about $5, something like that. Coming to you from my floor right here. I recently purchased a collection, fairly sizable collection off somebody. So I'll just quickly. These are just boxes from the cards that that I've gone through already. All the lands. You can see right there. Those are all the cards I'm currently sorting through. And then I've got cards over there that I need to go through. It's a lot of stuff, guys, and I will be giving away some of the extras that we found. I mean, these are cards going all the way back to revised Ice Age and every set in between. It's pretty ridiculous. But anyway, so I'm coming to you kind of from the floor here. So anyway, Angel of Invention, that was our card from the box. Let's see. These cards here are the commons that will be given away this video. So just make a comment. Put the word Angel of Invention somewhere in the comments. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff to the video, and I'll do a giveaway here in about a week or so. These are the uncommons from the box, so we'll be giving away those to our Patreon subscribers. Right now we've got one Patreon subscriber, so he's pretty much going to get it all, unless you guys give him a run for his money. So there's about another week and a half left in the month. So you can see my Patreon down in the video description below. Just click on that. You can kind of see how it all works. And yeah, if you feel like supporting the channel, that kind of thing, go for it. I've got some goals set. The more Patreon support that I get, the more boxes I can open, the more stuff we can give away on the channel. And yeah. So anyway, that's it for today. I'm gonna go ahead and get this uploaded now, and we'll talk to you guys later. I'm gonna try to upload a Ixalan video as well. Just got back from the pre-release this weekend. That was pretty badass. So anyway, talk to you guys later. Peace.